Hey, this is G from Outlier Automation. I wanted to show you a new WinCC Unified Comfort panel today. I recently got it and I'm pretty excited to show it off. It's this right here. This is a 15-inch model, and if you're not familiar, the Unified series is Siemens' new HMI and SCADA platform that will be replacing the Comfort series, WinCC Advanced and WinCC Pro. Right now you can still get both, but eventually the Unified panels will be Siemens' new platform. I actually already, as you can tell, unboxed this as I just showed you. I really like the black bezel here, and actually also in the box was some mounting hardware. Just your standard type of screw in. This green connector, which is pretty standard for Siemens for 24-volt DC power. And I also received a Siemens SD card, the 32 gigabyte, which I'll be explaining shortly. Flipping around to the back here, here's the back side. See the model number there. It's much like the Comfort panel where the interfaces are on the bottom. There are USB ports for here, just 4 of them. Profinet, 2 ports which are switched. Those are just 100 gigabyte, and then there's also a 100 megabit, and then 1 gigabit, also separate LAN, and then a serial connection port. And then right here is where the 24-volt power connector is. And then on the back here, there's a little sliding cover here for SD cards, and it says data and system. And what those are for is the system's actually for backup of the panel itself, and that does require the somatic memory card, which is not just any SD card. If you're familiar with the 1500 series PLCs, which require these cards, it's actually a hardened type of memory that can be able to be written to many more times than just a standard SD card and not degrade the memory itself. So it is actually a bit more expensive. So that's required for the system. And then the data is for logging data and recipes and other things that you would use with your HMI project. I'm actually going to do a few series of videos here to explain how to use this. In my next video, I'll be powering this on and showing you some of the applications that are available for configuration out of the box without a project on it. So join me in my next videos, and I'm excited to talking to you again soon.